Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time I'm doing a video in PowerPoint. So let's start. So this video is about doing a match game in PowerPoint. So as you can see, I already did this, the match game. And if you want this button to take you to the next slide, which is easy, you select the button, you go to insert, and then you go to action. Then you have to hyperlink to next slide, and then you touch OK. And then look, when I do like this, like that, it takes me to the next slide. So first, I'm gonna cut a bit of this video so I can do. I'm gonna cut a bit of this video so I can do the stuff. So like I do two stuff so I can match the stuff to match with. Okay, so now as you can see, I cut the video to do peace, love, and this and that. So now since I did this, I am gonna make the word honey go to the big rectangle. So to do that, in order to do that, you're gonna go to animation. You need to select on the word honey, go right down and go to more motion paths. Okay, and you'll have to go dangle down right. Oh no, go dangle upright. I don't know what's happening, but okay. So then we're gonna take this, go right over there. Right. But now here's the problem. When I click the arrow key, it doesn't the animation. But I want it when I click the word honey. That's pretty much easy, to do. In order to do this, you are gonna go to animation panel. Wait a minute, just let me go there, and then you're gonna go to animation panel. You're gonna find this, which is honey over here. Then every time you do a motion, it goes over here on the animation panel. So you do this, you go to timing, and then you go to triggers. You go to start effect on click all, and then you want it to start effect when the click of honey. So now let's see how the match game will go. So let's do the animation. Let's see how the match game will go. Look, I'm touching the arrow key, and it didn't do nothing to it, because I programmed it to when I touch the word honey. So that means if I touch the word honey, it takes it right to the place. So I hope you enjoyed, and also make sure to add more than one word to match with. You can even trick your friends with it. So goodbye.